Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In the last video, we have seen earbuds from Ptron and it is called Ptron Base Earbuds. If you have not seen the video, I'll give the link in the above I button and I'll also put the video link in the description below. You can go see it there. In this video, let us see unboxing and review of a neckband earphone from OnePlus and it is called OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. So without wasting any time, let us get into the unboxing. This is a box of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. So let us look around. So in the front it has a battery option which says it charges in 10 minutes and its battery backup of 20 hours. And to the right it just says the branding. This is the back of the box. Here there are a few features of it. So here it says wrap charge. The company says the 10 minutes of charge gives you 10 hours of listening time, long battery life, full charge can give you 20 hours of listening time. So magnetic control, the clip of the bullets which attach together has a magnet, so it automatically grabs when it comes close. It's also waterproof. It's a water resistance, not waterproof, for sweat and rain. And this is a quick switch. Quick switch means this headphone has ability to control two devices at a time, where you can just press a button to toggle between two devices. And it has a low latency mode, ultra low latency mode when gaming, and this works especially only on OnePlus devices. Okay, here are the features: serial number, manufacture date, and imported date, imported by, it's a made in China product. The price, you can see it is almost around 2,190, but got this for lesser price. So this is the front of the box. Okay, let us proceed to the unboxing. Okay, let us cut open the box. Okay, so this opens like this. We'll have to just slide it. You see empty box. We'll keep this aside. So this is a diagram of Bullet Wireless Z headphones. So let me pick it up and turn it around. So this is the headphones. Okay, let us keep this aside. See what is there here. Here this thing will come and fit here. And this is a user guide and accessories. Let us see what is there in it. In this box there are two sections, like user guide section and this side is accessory section. There is something here. Let me open it and pull it. Okay, this is the charger. And you have earbuds, and that's all. Those are the two things. So let me open the earbuds. You have 4 earbuds. Best part is the color of the OnePlus is there here. So there are 4 different sizes. You get 6 pairs of earbuds, including these 2. This is a C cable for charging, USB and Type-C. And you have a red cable club for OnePlus devices. So it says, it starts with the first red cable. It says welcome to the club. You can log into the website here and see for more details. So this is a user guide is in mixed language. So it is like this and like this, and this is one more user guide, and it is also, but it is bigger than that. I'll read these things afterwards. So let us go to the headphones. So this is the headphone. Let me pick it out. Packaging is very nice. Okay, this is a flexible material headphone. Keep this also aside. So this is a headset. Okay, let us see the closer view of it. So this is the OnePlus branding. This is a C-type cable for charging port. And so this must be a power button where we can switch off and switch on the device. This hole is a microphone. And this is a plus and minus button for volume or changing the song or anything. This must be answering and disconnecting the call button. So this is the left side of the earphone and this is the right side of the earphone. The shape is a little bit new. Let us try it out, how is it, and I'll let you know the details in this video. This neckband is a very flexible neckband. Not sure whether this type of neckband is there in any other device, because we can flex it all the way to this size and keep it. This is a good neckband. So this both ends has a magnet to it. When I take it closer to it, it sticks. So this is the magnet which we are talking about in the box. So now it is switch on when the earbuds are apart, when they are not connected together. So now when I get it closer to it, it gets connected and it goes off. It has a red light here. See? And when I remove it, it comes back to the white light. I think white light must be the on indicator. This is the off indicator. I'll wear the headphones and I'll tell you the quality of the headphones, how it is. When I wear the headphone completely inside, it fits in the ear very well and the quality of the sound is also very good. Using these headphones you can jog and run. See, as I shake my head left and right, right to left, up and down, it doesn't come out. This OnePlus headphones is a very good headphones. I use it in my daily regular routine basis. The battery life, the audio quality, everything is great. I recommend this headphones for you guys also. Please check out and buy it. I will give the Bestbuy link in the description below, so you don't have to waste your time by searching this headphone. If you like this video, as usual, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also share this video with your friends and families where they can also subscribe and like the video. This subscription from you guys and like from you guys helps me to do more interesting contents for you guys. You can also comment below how was the video and other stuffs, or what you want in the next videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media platforms. Bye, see you in the next video.